All right, Monday, August 9th, going over a lot of stocks in the market, all kinds of trading, day trading stocks, swing trading stocks, looking at long term where they will be headed, possibly even short term, next month maybe. Let's look at AEI, Altset eHome International. Yeah, this stock went up to 29 after the IPO back in December. January made a flat sideways move and exploded. A lot of these stocks eventually explode, and this did exactly that. Came back really hard. It came down this wedge now. I'm gonna say channel, and it gapped down really hard from this 10 level to 4. And then had a false breakout. Look at this volume here on the 21st of June. It had 92 million, exploded up a little. It didn't hold. Colored candle means it doesn't hold, and it came back pretty much the original price. The trend line here all the way down. Right here, you have this 5 level, 4 didn't hold. Then it's waterfall, and then look where we're at now. At 2. Is at a 2, you have a gap, you have 2 gaps. The monthly on this, and nothing formed yet because it's too new. The weekly, I don't really like it. It's at a 146. That's amazing. 146, what are you going to get, a 0 here? That's pretty incredible. Actually, 146, can't get much lower. I mean, you can get a 0. You can get a negative, I guess. I would look for immediate. We could pop this gap right here, 250 to 3. Maybe it'll be some news. Day traders will get in it. This will pop up. Anything below 2, watch out. We could go. This could go. You never know with stocks. You get a quarter, and eventually they work their way up. It could be a while. So this is a more speculative stock. And be careful. Just don't go all in on it. Just watch how this one plays out at 2 right now. You can fill this gap. So short term, this could be interesting on AEI. ENG and Global Corp. This is another one. It did nothing. It was at 1, exploded to 4, came back down to, and this one all the way to 9. Look at the run this was on. This is an amazing run. You're like 9 times your money right here. Then we fell back. Look at this big move down. Then you bounced up to the 650, 61.8 retracement level. Came down. You have a channel. It's broke up to 235, right to 350. We went back and forth here. It looks like it's trying to hold 2 at this point. Could be a double bottom right here. The weekly, you're trying to cross sideways. That's stochastics. The monthly, you see this nice smooth move that's trying to round now, could straighten and eventually go up. I see that often on stocks. Eventually I like this to 350. That's going to be my target, immediate target. 253, eventually I'm saying a longer target, 350. Watch this 2 level. If that holds a double bottom, that'll tell me that it's a better chance to go up there on ENG. TRTSparts.com. Touched on this one months ago, even my older videos. This really exploded from $2 back in last April, went to 16, chopped around, tested 16 again. Back and forth for like 4 or 5 months, and this exploded to 22. Then this came back right down to, near 12, 19. So the whole trend on this has been up. You've had some big back and forth moves. Now this is going to 20 right here in July. Now we're back up on these 2 candles to 20 again. So the whole trend, see this? The lows keep getting higher. Low, low, low right here, here. And we're getting higher and higher. The weekly, let's see what this is doing exactly. See, weekly, you had a big run here all the way up to the top of stochastics. Now we're coming back up. The monthly, this is staying elevated. Look at this. Ever since 2019, this is staying up. And carparts.com, I didn't even look at the, what they're about. I'm assuming car parts. And, with chip shortage, everything with used car value is going up because of the chip shortage and, the way things are going right now in that area. Look at this clear line on this monthly, 13 over 20. This is a clear long right now. That is so strong of a move, staying elevated. So, longer term, I would like this long. Any dip, if this comes back again, I would buy it. So, You know, longer term, this is pretty good play right now. PRTS. Airbnb. Yeah, this IPO'd way back December, like 125, shot up to 215, and came crashing down in this channel to 130, 140, 150. Double bottom here, right here, and here in July. That's a nice bounce off that. If you can recognize these moves, that's one thing. It's like a quarterback in football. You can recognize these patterns. You can see this was a double bottom. That's where you're going to get in this candle. And then look where it went, the 150. It's a nice solid move there. It's got to reclaim 150, go over 155, and start working its way back up. Overbought right here. So it could be a little pullback. Weekly is looking strong. It's still going up here. So, but see this coming down. You have your 20 over your 13 EMA. You got to watch that. It's got to get over that. Monthly, nothing really formed yet, so hard to tell on the monthly. Longer term, you got to like Airbnb. Nice bottom here, and I think we'll work our way up to a travel. Eventually, going to get better and better. So you would think that would be good in that area, that space. All right, so that's it for these 4 stocks. Check them out. Please subscribe to YouTube. Mike Cayman Trade alerts. Hit the like button. Leave comments. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Stock Twits. Mike Cayman alerts. And Twitter, Mike J Trades. TikTok, Mike Frank II. All right, that's it for this video. Peace.